Hi, my name is Yash. So today my topic is legal issues in cryptocurrency crowdfunding. So we will start with definition of crowdfunding cryptocurrency and what is cryptocurrency crowdfunding. Okay, so cryptocurrency crowdfunding, also known as initial coin offering or token sale, is a way for new projects to raise money by selling digital tokens for established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These tokens represent ownership or utility in the project. Unlike traditional crowdfunding where people use regular money in cryptocurrency, crowdfunding they use digital currencies instead of getting rewards or shares. Backers receive digital tokens on a blockchain. These tokens can do different things like giving access to a platform or representing ownership. People invest in cryptocurrencies, crowdfunding, hoping that the token's value will increase as the project succeeds. However, it's risky because the project might fail and the token's value could drop. So it says that cryptocurrency, that also known as initial coin offering, is like a fancy version of regular crowdfunding, but instead of using normal money, people use digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, as we have read on the para. Uh, Instead of getting rewards or shares in the project, backers get digital tokens on a special digital ledger called a blockchain. Those tokens might let you do things like access a platform or own a piece of the project. Also, people join in on cryptocurrencies crowdfunding because they hope the tokens they get will become more valuable as the project gets successful. However, there is a downside. It's pretty risky because if the project fails, the tokens value could go down, and you might lose your investment. Right. So next we will go to the importance of understanding legal implications. Understanding the legal implications of cryptocurrencies crowdfunding is paramount. Compliance ensures adherence to regulations safeguarding against legal repercussions such as fines of project cessations. Additionally, it fosters transparency, offering investors clear information and minimizing risks. Awareness of regulatory nuance mitigates legal pitfalls, preserving market reputation and bolstering long-term viability. Okay, so it says that it's really important to understand the legal rules when using cryptocurrencies to raise money for project. Following these rules helps avoiding getting in trouble with the law, like getting fined or having to stop your project altogether. Plus, it makes things clear for people who want to invest in your project, so they know what they're getting into and can feel more confident. And being aware of all the little legal details, uh, it helps you avoid problems and keeps your project's reputation strong, so it can keep going strong in the future. Okay, next we will move in to legal issues. What are the legal issues? Legal issues in cryptocurrency crowdfunding encompass a range of concerns, including security regulations, determining whether tokens offered in a crowdfunding campaign qualify as securities under relevant laws such as the Securities Act in the US, and ensuring compliance with the registration or exemption requirements. Yeah, so it means making sure that tokens we are offering in a crowdfunding campaign are not seen as stocks or bond by the law. If they are considered as such, we need to either sign them up with the government or find a way to not have to do that. Right. The next second is regulatory compliance. Adhering to anti-money laundering and know your customer KYC regulations to prevent illicit activities and ensure transparency in transactions. So it means that following rules to stop bad stuff like money laundering and making sure we know we know who's involved in a project. It keeps things clear and stop illegal activities. Third is investor protection, providing accurate and project including risks sorry providing accurate and complete disclosures of information about the project including risks to protect investors from fraud and misrepresentation. So it's all about giving investors honest and full details about their project including risks to keep them safe from fraud or being misled, right? Then fourth is jurisdictional compliance, understanding and complying with the legal requirements of different jurisdictions where the offering may be accessible to investors or as regulations vary globally. So, jurisdictional compliance means understanding and following the rules in different places where people might invest in your project. Rules can be different in different parts of the world, so it's important to know and follow them. Next is taxation, navigating tax implications for both the project organizers and investors, including income tax, capital gains tax, and value added tax, which can vary depending on jurisdiction and the nature of tokens. So, now we will talk about jurisdictional challenges. The first is comprehensive legal analysis. Conduct a thorough analysis of the regulatory landscape in the jurisdictions where the crowdfunding campaign will be offered, understand the definition of the securities registration requirements and other relevant regulations that may apply. So it says that before starting a crowdfunding campaign, it's very essential to analyze the regulations in the areas where we want to run it, understand what counts as investments, the registration process, and any other rules that might apply. This helps ensure you follow the law and avoid risks. Second is legal counsel. Engage legal counsel with expertise in cryptocurrencies, law, and securities regulation to navigate the complexities of different jurisdictions. Legal professionals can provide tailored advice and help ensure compliance with local laws. So it says that to navigate the complexities of different jurisdictions when launching a crowdfunding campaign involving cryptocurrency, it's wise to engage legal counsel specializing in cryptocurrency and securities regulation. These experts can offer tailored advice and guidance to ensure compliance with local laws, helping to mitigate legal risks and associated with the campaign. Okay, so the regulatory diligence. Perform regulatory due diligence to assess the risk and compliance requirements associated with each jurisdiction. Identify potential regulatory hurdles or restrictions that may impact the crowdfunding campaign. So next we will talk about localization of offering. Consider localizing the offering to specific jurisdictions where regulatory requirements are clearer or more favorable. Limiting the offering to certain jurisdictions can simplify compliance efforts and reduce regulatory uncertainty. So it says that simplifying things by concentrating our crowdfunding campaign in areas where the rules are clearer or more favorable. This makes it easier to follow the rules and reduces uncertainty about what's allowed. Use of regulatory exemptions. Take advantage of regulatory exemptions or safe harbors that may be available in certain jurisdictions. These exemptions can provide relief from the registration requirements or streamline the compliance process. So it says use special rule or protections that might be available in some places. This can help avoid having to register or make it easier to follow the rule. Compliance with international standards. Adhere to international standards and best practice such as anti-money laundering and KYC regulations, regardless of jurisdiction. This can help mitigate regulatory risk and enhance trust among investors. So now we will come to the conclusion. In the rapidly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, crowdfunding, navigating legal complexities, and jurisdictional challenges, it's essential for the success and sustainability of projects. By understanding the regulatory frameworks in different jurisdictions, engaging legal counsel, and implementing robust compliance measures, companies can mitigate risk and build trust with investors. Transparency, adhere to best practices, and proactive engagement with regulators and key pillars for addressing legal issues effectively. As the regulatory environment continues to evolve, staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for navigating the changing landscape of cryptocurrency crowdfunding. Ultimately, by prioritizing legal compliance and regulatory awareness, companies can foster investor confidence, promote innovation, and contribute to the long term growth of the cryptocurrencies ecosystem. So, from this, we understand that the conclusion, in the ever changing world of cryptocurrency crowdfunding, it's crucial to understand and comply with different laws and regulations in various regions. Seeking legal advice, uh, adhering to best practices, and staying adaptable are key to mitigating risks, building trust with investors, and fostering long-term growth in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Right. So these are the some points of legal issues in cryptocurrency crowdfunding. Thank you.